Hi guys, it's Kaili here, and today I'm going to show you how I made my dream board. Mine today is going to be a little bit smaller, but we can still do it. And then you'll need your piece of paper, some of your favorite magazines, some markers, just some art supplies that you think you might need. Not that though. What you want to do is you want to just go through some magazines and look for some stuff you might like and get some of your favorite pictures and cut them out. Once you are done cutting them out, make sure you arrange them into the spots that you want. And once you're done with that, go ahead and start decorating and make sure you get creative.